Today's episode of Southwest. I bought a poopy truck. Stuff that I'm gonna put on that there truck with my hands. What does he want me to do with all of this?
Rolling up the tube. Yes. Yes. We like it. Yoink. Yoink. Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
Today's episode of Southwest. I bought a poopy truck.
That'd be a shitty situation.
Dude, it would literally be a crappy situation. Like,
I think it would not.
oh god.
I think so. Because of the viscosity
Viscosity. You just like sink in it like quicksand, and then you're just like there.
It's like quicksand.
Except it's not quicksand, it's poop.
Yeah, it's quicksand.
Alright. It's like a golf cart. Cool. Poopy is great. Camera person, do you mind getting me a Magnito? The big one. Look at that. Hey people, I'm wrapping the poo truck. That's crazy. No way. No way. That head should probably work some. So what is that? Is that some vintage part you're gonna have back shelf? No. That's what I'm doing. I was like, what are we doing today's day and age? Yeah, that's what I thought. That track. Noise. Noise. But it'll sit there an hour. Yeah, that'd be real cool. I'd love to hear some SR20 things. Shenanigans. Well, hell, people, I guess I'm gonna get back to wrapping this truck, so maybe I can leave you. That's a bit. And if not, I thought we were getting on visual tonight. Call if you hear me. Come on. Hey, look, I turned my wrinkles sideways. It's great. Which means you just do this. And now they're flat, dude. It's like making a bed. Alright, it's poopy. Looks pretty good, yeah? How's it look from your house? Rolling.
What?
Rolling. Stop. Y'all don't need to know. They're on a need to know basis. It's actually quite comfy. Stuff that I'm gonna put on that there truck with my hands.
What did he say?
Look, we're having this problem again. Yeah. What does he want me to do with all this? What does he want me to do with all of this? Just like that there, potentially, maybe, yes. If I had the Yeezys, this would be on.
Popsicle. Popsicle.
All right. What am I supposed to do with this? You know what my favorite part of the tamales are? The outside. Like whatever they wrap the tamales in, it's really good. I don't get it. See, I can reuse that. Not there, not one of y'all saw that. Nobody saw it. Alright, I think this will do the thing that I want it to potentially do. You know, if I try hard enough and ask politely. Alright. 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 Is this man got it? Okay. That's like not as fun as I was hoping that it would be, but we'll figure it out. So what do you guys do? Scoop poop? Sounds like a poopy dog. Alright, now serious ASMR rap guy video right here. Alright, QC, I'm gonna need you to tell me what to do here. I'm terrified. I only get one chance at messing this up. I'm scared. I really don't know what I'm doing. We should consult a YouTube video. Something happened. It's still not going how I want it to. I told you I get one chance at messing this up. I found it. I found the limits. Wait a second. Dang, there not one way that I did not mess up. Actually, because I meant to do that. That's what it was. I had y'all fooled. Y'all thought I messed up, didn't you? I don't mess up. It don't happen. I messed up. Okay. I see it. It's cool. It's alright. It's fine. I'll just call the printer and see if they'll print some more. That don't impress me much. Just kidding, it actually impresses me a lot. I'm fully impressed. I'm intrigued. Actually. Sometimes you just gotta slang a Judy. Just out here slinging Judies for free. Just slang a Judy. I'm telling you, it's becoming a technical thing, like really quickly. Look. How much wood can woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? is probably a lot. Oh, okay. I see now. I understand. My eyes are on the prize. Get it. Got it good. Oh yeah. Good poop. It's barely a poop now, it's just like very clean. Don't scratch it. Now I need to acquire the rest of my tools so that I can continue to do this job. I burnt my fingers. You know what I need? My Michael Jackson glove. Let's do a thing right here. It's all big brain stuff right here. Just get all that scratchy scratch up out of there. Put it that way, like that. Mm-hmm. We're gonna have to try again. So when you're in a predicament like this, you know, stuck between a rock and a hard place, you really got to make funny faces so that you can get that strength, you know, from the funny face. I think I'm seeing the reflection in the light and thinking I'm discoloring it. I'm just tripping. Triangles.
ASMR. ASSMR.
Yeah, you're gonna need new flux capacitor. You're gonna need a carbonator. You're gonna need a 52 quarts of oil. You're gonna also might need your carbonator checked out. Hook that up to the battery manipulator. It's gonna cost you about 15. Wow. Plus parts. And that's not including labor. Honestly, I don't know what you're paying for.